Hey y'all, it's Fortune Frankly and welcome to Fortune Frankly Fridays, where we do DIY home decor and more. Today's video is a quick one, and that's because we're doing 5-minute crafts that are actually 5 minutes or less. Unlike this makeup, which took me 45 minutes or less. This video is also going to be 5 minutes or less, so let's stop dilly-dallying and let's get started. For our first project, we're making a very cute and neutral dry erase board. For this project, you'll need, also you see my little paint over here, does that mean I'm a DIYer? Can't you tell? A picture frame and some fabric. Starting with our picture frame, we're just going to deconstruct this so that we can actually remove this ugly little placeholder and put our own thing in. I got this picture frame from the Dollar Tree and it's kind of on trend right now. In style, hot topic, on trend, popular. Taking our fabric, we're going to cut it down to the same size as our picture frame. It's basically going to be the picture inside, and it'll make a really nice background for our dry erase board. And we're going to put that picture frame back together. You see, didn't I tell you 5 minutes or less? I'm sure this is 2. And you can use a dry erase marker on this glass and write whatever you want. Today we're going with, okay sis. For project numero dos, we're going to be making our own salt lamp. Now I have a salt lamp that is on my desk at work in the office that I haven't been to in nearly a year. I miss that salt lamp, you know. I figured I could give it a sister. And we're going to do it in 5 minutes or less if you didn't get the memo of this video. For this project, you'll need a large vase, a smaller vase, pink glass rocks, and a candle. Starting with the large glass vase, we're going to put the smaller glass vase inside, and we're literally going to pour these glass rocks in between the vases. Some of them might fall into your vase in the middle. Just make sure to take those out and put them where they belong. So because of the shape of these glass vases, they're actually called hurricanes. You know, I was a little triggered. Like, I'm from South Florida, you know, hurricanes. But if you want to find these particular types of glass vases, you can search for that. Or as my dad likes to say, Google it. I used 6 packs of glass rocks for this, but you can fill it up to whatever level you like. And when you're finished, put a candle inside. La da da! For our third and final project, we're going to be making fridge magnets. Now I feel like this is something we're always running out of, so this was a DIY that I really actually needed. So now when my mom asks, where are you going to put that? I can tell her on the fridge. Instead of saying, I don't know mom, it's just for a video. That's what the people want. For this project, you'll need 3D stickers, circular magnets, and a glue gun. Now I got these stickers at the Dollar Tree. I thought they were pretty cool and they actually make good magnets. So we're going to remove the sticker from the plastic. The entire back is not sticky. It just has a piece of square adhesive on it, which is perfect. We're going to put some hot glue on that and attach the magnet. Bada bing, bada boom! Listen, I'm telling you, you can make this for $2 and in less than 5 minutes. Alright, welcome back. I don't have a favorite from this video, but they're all super easy, super simple to make that anyone, even a cave person, can do it. What's that commercial? But I'm curious to hear which one was your favorite and which one would you probably consider doing. If you're feeling like you can go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. And if you're not feeling lucky, I'm so sorry, but I hope to see you again in the near future. And with that, thanks for watching.